Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with another video, and today we are diving into an exciting case study about how Google Ads helped a retailer specializing in drones and accessories achieve remarkable results. If you are the tech industry or looking to enhance your digital marketing strategy, then this video is for you. In terms of the background, the drone industry is booming, with consumers and professionals alike seeking cutting-edge technology and accessories. Our client, a retailer of high-quality drones and accessories, faced the challenge of standing out in a crowded market. Despite their impressive product range, they needed a revamped strategy to attract the right audiences and drive sales. Objective: our primary goal was to boost online visibility and drive targeted traffic to the client's website. We aim to increase sales of drones and accessories while appealing to tech enthusiasts, professional users, and gift shoppers. So in terms of the challenges, here are some of the key challenges that we have faced during the process. Firstly, intense competition. The drone market is highly competitive with many well-established brands and retailers. High cost per click. Keywords related to drone and accessories are highly expensive, necessitating efficient budget management. Diverse audience. We needed to effectively target different segments from hobbyists to professionals and varied interests and needs. Strategic approach. To address these challenges, we employed the following strategies: audience segmentations and customization. We segmented the audience into distinct groups: hobbyists, professionals, photographers, and gift buyers. For each segment, we tailored our ad messaging to address specific needs and interests. For example, ads targeting hobbyists focus on the fun and ease of use, while professional focused ads highlighted advanced features and technical specifications. Enhanced keyword strategy. We utilize a combination of phrase match and exact match keywords such as best drones for photography and high quality drone accessories. This approach helped us capture both general interest and specific intent. High impact ad formats. We leverage various ad formats including responsive and video ads to engage users effectively. Responsive search ads allowed us to test multiple headlines and description, optimizing for the best performing categories. Dynamic remarketing. We implemented dynamic remarketing to target users who previously visited the website but didn't convert. These ads displayed products the users had shown interest in, encouraging them to return and complete their purchase. A/B testing. We conducted A/B testing on several ad copies variations. Landing pages. Experimented with landing pages, layouts, and call to action to determine which design elements led to higher conversion rate. Ad extensions. Evaluated the impact of different ad extensions such as site link, callouts on ad performance and click-through rates. Results. So in terms of the results, our strategic approach yielded impressive results. Sales increase. The campaign resulted in 50% increase in sales with strong performance across all product categories. Improved conversion rate. Conversion rate improved by 40% thanks to targeted ad messaging and effective A/B testing. In terms of the result, the campaign generated over $85,000 in sales with the ROS of 7x, establishing our client as a prominent player in drones and accessories market. So in terms of the conclusion, the case study highlights the impact of a targeted Google ad campaign for drone and accessories retailer. While employing precise audience targeting, keyword optimization, and dynamic ad strategies, we successfully increased online traffic, boosted sales, and positions our client as go-to destination for drone products. If you want to see the similar success with your Google ad account, consider applying these proven strategies. For the free audit, you can contact us through our number or the website mentioned on the screen. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.